step into a night where music, art, and community move as one, where the vinyl spins, the drums speak, and the energy feels just right. This February, Mixtape First Thursdays returns to the Chrysler Museum for a special One Love edition. You can come rewind through reggae rhythms and creative expression woven throughout the museum, from live DJ sets and vinyl culture to hands-on jewelry making, tea blending, and good vibration drum circles. Every moment is designed to connect. Move your body in a Caribbean-inspired mixed fit class or explore art through curator-led conversations and crafted cocktails. Experience powerful film, poetry, and live reggae performances. Capture the moment, feel the rhythm, love the one you're with. Now, this is more than just an event. It's a gathering, a celebration of culture, creativity, and community. So we'd love to come see you join us for Mixtape First Thursdays, One Love Edition, Thursday, February 5th from 5 to 9 p.m. here at the Chrysler Museum of Art in Norfolk, 1 Memorial Place. Special thanks to the Art Bridges Foundation for supporting this programming. One love, one night, infinite vibes. This is the kid Illfils, aka Brazzy PCO of Good Society Group at Good Society Group at Chrysler Museum on socials, www.goodsocietyworld.com for more information. We hope to see you here.